Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. In the previous class, I gave you time series introduction. And today we'll see practical problems. Even this video also already I have uploaded, but quality was not good. I'm re-uploading and reshooting it once again. Anyway, it's for you all. Time series is a quite easy chapter. Don't leave even a single topic also. I'll explain it very clearly and very easy. Even school children can catch this topic. That much of easy time series. In time series, we have seen in the last class introduction like what is time series. So why do we calculate it, advantages, this and that, all these things. Introduction theory part we have seen. Now today we'll see practical part. Just to focus 5 minutes you will understand. Practicals in time series we have different topics. Like first one is freehand smooth curve, first point. First topic. Second one, method of semi-averages and moving averages method, weighted moving averages and method of least square. 5 topics are there. All these 5 are practicals. Now today we'll focus on the freehand smooth curve. As per the given data, we have to plot the numbers what is given to us. We'll joint it. Then after that we are going to draw one trend line. So that is we call it as a freehand smooth curve. Do not get confused, quite easy. At the end of the video you will say, Madam, easy, damn easy, yes. Okay, freehand smooth curve we are going to focus now today. And if you understand freehand smooth curve, next method is method of semi-averages. It depends on the first method, freehand smooth curve. If you understand freehand smooth curve, method of semi-averages, this is easy. Are you getting it? Now let's focus on the problem, one problem. So what they are asking, fit a freehand smooth curve, representing the following data. This is the data given. What is given? Year and sales. Every year sales. First year, second year, like this. Total 11 years, 11 years data. 11 years sales are given here. Only based on this we have to fit straight line by using the freehand curve. Okay, now what we have to take first, we have to draw the graph. You use always the graph paper. Right now I cannot use it on the board, so I'm just showing you, but you have to use the graph paper with pencil and scale, everything neatly you have to. Okay, so I have already drawn x-axis, y-axis. On x-axis always remember year. The first data will be taking on the x-axis. X-axis, what is there? Years. How many years? 11 years. Okay. All the years I have put it. 1 centimeter is first year. 2nd centimeter is 2. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 11 years. This is on x-axis. And on y-axis, always remember the given data. Maybe sales, production, marks. It can be anything. The given actual data, this data will be taking on the y-axis. Now how to take the numbers? Anything you can take, but observe what is the minimum number, what is the maximum number. Now here minimum number is, if you see, 60 is the minimum number. Am I right? 60. And maximum number is here 144. In between any number you can take. I have taken here 10. Class interval of 10, starting with minimum number of 60. You can take even like this also, 20, 40, 60, like this also you can go ahead. Any number you can take, but right now I am taking with a class interval of 10. Minimum number is 60, I have started. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, till 150, because maximum number is here 144. Like I have drawn x-axis, y-axis. Now we'll plot the data, actual data. So first one is, first year is 60. First year is 60 means this is here. Second year is 84. 84 means it's here somewhere. Next third year is 96. Next fourth year 72. Fourth year 72 means it's coming down 72. It's here. After that 80. Fifth year is 80. 80 means once again there is a growth in the sales. 80. And 6th year is 108. 6th year 108 means it's here. Seventh year 120. 7th year 120. 7th year. Next after that 8th year 132. 8th year 132. It's up. Next 9th year 90. 9th year 90. It has come down. 90. Next 10th year 100. Once again up. There are many ups and downs. 10. Next 11th year 144. Maximum peak. 144 is here. We have plotted the given data. What we are going to do now, we have to join it. All these lines, all these dots, plotted dots, we have to join. So if you want, you can use even the scale also. Am I joining properly? This is free line, okay? Not yet over. Now we have to draw at a trend line. Trend line, how to draw? We have to draw roughly a trend line which is moving in between this free line. If you see this free curve, in the beginning there is a upwards, there is an increase. Again it has come down. Again it has increased drastically. Then there is a slant down. Then increase to the maximum level. So ups and downs are there. This is free hand curve. Now in between that we are going to draw one trend line. There is no fast and strict rules. There is no rules at all. You can draw any line but with which has to cross in between these. If we draw on the top, which will not cover in the downside, okay? If we draw a line on the downside, which will not cover the top portion. So roughly I am going to draw one line. You just observe. I'll use a scale also. I'll explain why I am drawing like this. So can you see this? Now this is, we call it as a trend line. Why I have drawn, I'll show you. So when I am taking this line in between both ups, downs, in between I have taken this roughly a trend line, a line I have taken, which is crossing entire actual data. This is actual free line, na? So this free line which is crossing by the one line, that is called as trend line. Simple. You can draw somewhere a little bit up, a little bit down, doesn't matter, but is it crossing the free line or not? That is important. Am I clear? This is very easy. If you understand this next semi-average, that it will be easy for you to understand. Am I clear? Want to take a screenshot? Yes. Statistics, first 3 chapters. Sure, damn sure you must be thorough because I taught very clearly. Entire statistics first 3 chapters, link is given in the description box. Now coming to the last 2 chapters, probability and binomial theory. Many students are asking, to be frank, I do not have knowledge. But I learn for you all and I'll upload it. But stay connected, and whatever I have covered, don't miss anything. Check out the playlist properly. If it is in your syllabus, use it, and don't forget to share this video. Stay connected and practice well. Good luck.